What if everything you have disappears one day? No money, no support, no one to believe in you. Would you still chase your dreams or give up like most people do? This is the story of a boy who had nothing, but refused to stay that way. In a small, dusty village, there lived a boy named Raghav. He was just like any other kid, except for one thing. He had nothing. No proper clothes, no shoes, sometimes not even food. His father had passed away when he was young, and his mother worked all day in the fields just to earn enough for a single meal. Every morning, while other kids went to school with bags on their backs, Raghav walked barefoot, carrying dreams instead. He loved learning, not because it was easy, but because it felt like hope. At night, when the entire village slept, Raghav would sit under a dim streetlight, reading torn books he found in the trash. People laughed at him. "Look at him," they said, "a poor boy dreaming big. He should focus on earning money, not wasting time." But Raghav never replied. He just kept turning the pages. One day, everything changed. His mother fell sick, very sick. She couldn't work anymore, and suddenly the little they had disappeared. There was no food in the house, no money, no help. That night, Raghav sat beside his mother, holding her hand. For the first time, he felt fear, real fear. What if I lose her too? What will I do alone? The next morning, he made a decision. He stopped going to school. Instead, he started working, carrying bricks, cleaning shops, doing anything just to earn a few coins. Days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months. His books gathered dust. His dreams slowly faded. Every night he came home tired, looked at his old books, and then looked away. Maybe this is my life now, he thought. Maybe people were right. One evening, something unexpected happened. While working near a tea stall, Raghav overheard two men talking. They were discussing success. One of them said something that stopped Raghav in his tracks. Success doesn't come to people with money. It comes to people who refuse to give up. That line hit him hard. He stood there, frozen. Refuse to give up. That night, Raghav couldn't sleep. He kept thinking, did I give up too early? Is my story already over? He looked at his mother sleeping quietly beside him. And in that moment, he made another decision. I will work and I will study, no matter how hard it gets. From that day, his life changed. He woke up before sunrise, worked all day, and studied at night. No excuses, no complaints. Sometimes he was so tired, his eyes would close while reading, but he kept going. People still laughed. You think you'll become something? Look at your life first. But this time, their words didn't affect him, because now he had something stronger than fear. He had belief. Years passed. Slowly, things began to change. He completed his education, then got a small job, then a better one. Step by step, he kept climbing. Not fast, not easy, but steady. One day, after many years, Raghav returned to his village, but this time he wasn't the same boy. He arrived in a car, wearing clean clothes, confident, calm. The same people who once laughed at him now looked at him in silence. Some didn't even recognize him. He walked to his old house, the same broken walls, the same small room. His mother was sitting outside.
When she saw him, her eyes filled with tears, not because of his success, but because she saw the same boy who never gave up. Raghav sat beside her, held her hand, just like he did years ago. But this time, there was no fear, only peace. Raghav didn't become successful overnight. He didn't have luck. He didn't have support. All he had was a decision to not give up, even when life gave him every reason to do so. And that changed everything. So, let me ask you something. What are you waiting for? Better conditions? More support? The right time? What if that time never comes? What if all standing between you and your success is your decision to keep going? Remember this, you don't need everything to start. You just need the courage to not stop. Because sometimes the boy who has nothing becomes the man who has everything.